I know it's every creator's dream to reach that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to finally see these lovely ads. And yet, it's not a flex, it's just me really appreciating the process and seeing my work come to fruition. 63 videos later and about 10 months-ish of work to have amassed a wealth of $2.81. But, yeah, loving each moment. So, as you can see, at the time of this recording, this video, I literally recently got monetized. So I'm not coming to you with any fake stuff or talking to you from a big YouTuber point of view, because while information may be legit when you're big, certain things that are required to do may vary. So from one small YouTuber to another, here are my tips and tricks to get monetized in a few months and not a whole year. But before we begin, I'm just asking if you could just
smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm.
Oh, that's it. Let's begin. Alright, basic information if you don't know, in order to get monetized you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So now we know that, what do we do next? First things first, I am assuming that you do not really have much of an online presence in order to traffic people over to your channel. So the first thing I would suggest to do is download vidIQ. To be honest, people suggest TubeBuddy, but I have tried both vidIQ and TubeBuddy and I prefer the vidIQ. Here's why. The free version of vidIQ is much better than the free version of TubeBuddy. And sometimes starting out, you might not want to spend money before you actually even start making money on the platform. So the answer on how to get great value assistant for $0 would be vidIQ. And let me show you why this is. vidIQ, it shows the achievements, subscriber count, view count, like, comment, and many more other aspects of being a YouTuber. It shows how much you currently have and your projection in the future. Also has tags, suggestions based on the title and description of a video to help boost the videos. It also has this scoreboard and checklist where you can aim to get as close as 100% for the maximum possibility of your video blowing up. But personally, my favorite part is being able to see how much individuals are watching your video at any particular point in time. And vidIQ has much more features, but I don't really want to bore you guys, so I'll probably make a separate video on that. So now that you have installed vidIQ, the second thing to do is to create videos like crazy. But create around what you like so that it feels less of an hassle when you are doing it. So try to narrow down your niche to things that you actually like or things that you have more knowledge about, whether it's gaming, doing makeup tutorial, try on haul, which is basically putting on different types of clothes, doing unboxing video. So it's really whatever you choose as a creator. As long as you genuinely like that area, then go for it. And understand this, your videos in the beginning will be trash, respectively speaking. Case in point. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. And as promised in my intro video, I will be teaching you or really showing you, do you see the struggle compared to my most recent video? The world of investing, where people buy and sell various asset classes in aim to make a profit. But most of the videos and flexes you see on social media is either a lie or just the product of years of hard work that was accomplished over time. But what about the start? Where do you begin? After all, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first. But back then, I had no mics, no editing software to make my audio sound better. Plus, I was still learning how to use animation software. So yeah, you might hate how your first set of videos look and sound, but essentially they will get better incrementally over time. Just trust the process. So now that we have our videos piling up, we should place them in playlists. A playlist is essentially just grouping your videos based on what they're about. So for my channel, I currently have like 9 different playlists because my channel deals with finance, yes, but various aspects of it. So you have the stocks, you have the books, you have the forex, you have the whole works. But here is the real reason why you're gonna make a playlist. Playlist has this repeat feature, so your videos will be able to be played on loop, and this is where you will get your watch hours from. Ask your friends and your subscribers to just play your videos on loop so they can watch, and just let them play out to help you generate those watch hours. And while not everybody will do it for you, you will have a few friends and subscribers that will play it out for you because they actually want to help your channel grow, which will eventually make you get your watch hours that you need. So now that we have covered how to get watch hours, we can focus on how to get the subscribers. And for me, there are a few ways that I would suggest. The first one is to meet other small YouTube channels and comment on their videos. This is good because small YouTubers tend to be more sincere when they reply to your comments and will essentially know you as an aspiring small YouTuber as well. This will help in a lot of ways. So when I just started out, I had met a few friends on YouTube, some of which were still friends up till today. So like myki laugh, she'll just leave a smile on your face every time you watch a video. And then you have Tara J, which speaks about real world issues. You have J So Random, which he's my cousin, and he basically taught me how to edit. So by reaching out to other small YouTubers, you end up meeting new friends, and inevitably you'll get new subscribers because, as I said earlier in one of my videos, fans tend to follow who their celebrity hangs out with or communicate with. So just keep in contact and attend lives that each of your new creator friends host. You will not only help them grow, they'll also help you to grow as well, because you'll get new subscribers from their subscribers, which would help you getting your 4,000 watch hours and getting your 1,000 subscribers. Plus, vidIQ also has this feature where you can see the account sizes of each channel without even actually clicking on a channel. So let's say you just type in search small YouTuber problems. You will see right there that you can see the number of subscribers that they have. So anywhere from 100, 200 subscribers all the way to 5,000 subscribers. That's a good place to start. The fifth thing to do is continue improve on your video quality and experiences of your viewers. Mark Zuckerberg said,
"Ideas don't come out fully formed. They only become clear as you work on them. You just have to get started."
Say, become better than you were yesterday. And honestly, it will come naturally. You will learn through mistakes because growth is incremental, not instant. Just as how I want to have a real estate empire, I am not sure how I'm going to get it because it's a stretch goal. I don't even have any contact with any realtor as yet. But because I know what I want, I know it will happen some way or another. It's the same concept for you. So just keep at it and keep working on it. The last thing to do to boost your channel subscriber is to do promotion. Alright, this is the thing. Your friends will support you to an extent. Especially if you are talking or you're doing things that they're not necessarily interested in, it will dwindle. So they might tell a few friends, but the effort will not be 100% all the time. So by doing promotion, it will help to boost your channel. So YouTube has a paid promotion aspect where you can pay to be in front of viewers. You're just going to be an ad. However, as a beginner, I would not recommend that simply because remember, you're still in your getting to know how things work on YouTube phase. So you're not going to make the best quality video, which will inevitably be skipped and the viewer will continue on with their life. So I recommend two things. You can do paid promotion where you ask other celebrities to give you a shout out on Instagram or YouTube, and if in the case of YouTube, this will basically be like a promotion forever or forever how long YouTube lasts, because each time a new viewer sees the video, it will be a new view for the creator and it will translate to a new potential prospect from that promotion for you. But to get the best results, just simply create some promotion that requires persons to share your channel and subscribe. So you can use Instagram or Facebook to promote your videos. So case in point, in somewhere like the Christmas time, I did a little promotion and it worked out relatively well because for that promotion I got 400 subscribers from that alone. And while you will not get all those subscribers to be genuine, you will at least become closer to your 1000 subscriber mark, which is the aim. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, share, comment, subscribe if you're new. And if you are here today in another video, I will personally give your channel a free shout out in my next video. So love you guys. Thank you for watching.